Hi everyone, my name is Simrit and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a twisted macrame keychain. So let's get started by taking some string and cut 4 pieces of strings that are each 52 inches long. So what I'm going to do now is take one of my strings and fold it in half. And then I'm also going to take a split keyring and take the string through it. And then I'm going to take this loop and I'm going to take the strings through it. And then I'm going to pull these strings back and it's going to create a knot onto the keychain. And then I'm going to take my other strings and do the same thing. So once again, fold it in half and take it through the keychain. And then take your loop and pull the strings through. Then I'm going to continue doing this with the other strings. Now I have created this knot with all of the strings, so I'm going to tape this down. And then I'm going to take my 2 outer strings and take them to the side. And then I'm also going to tape down these center strings. And now with these outer strings, I'm going to start the keychain. So what I'm going to do is take my left string and cross it over. And this is going to fold over to the right side. Then I'm going to take my right string and take it under the center strings. And I'm going to take this through this hole. And then I'm going to pull these knots tight near the top. This is going to create a half square knot. And then you're going to continue doing this. So once again, take your left string and fold it over to the right side. Then take your right string and take it under the center strings and through the hole. And then pull the knots tight. And then pull the 2 strings tight to create another half square knot. And then all you're going to do is continue doing these knots, and you'll see the twist form on its own after you have made many knots. So now I'm going to end off my keychain by taking one of my strings and wrapping it around these other strings. And then I'm going to take the string through the loop and pull it tight. And now finally, to complete the keychain, I'm going to cut off the extra strings. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notifications bell so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!